Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
Today, I'm going to try the Big Dill Deal from Sonic.
Hey, we're in beautiful Bedford, Virginia today at the local Sonic, trying out the Grillo hamburger limited time meal.
And it is packed, we hear, with all kinds of GRILLO'S pickles, from the tots to the drink to the burger.
I love pickles. Let's see if we can get Tammy to give it a try. Come on and let's check it out.
All right, we hit up Sonic today because they have a new Sonic GRILLO'S Smashburger special. And Doug, you want to tell us about your burger and I'll give it a look.
Yeah, it's got 2 Angus beef patties on it, 2 slices of American cheese, dill pickle seasoned dressing on it, ranch dressing, has seasoned crispy cucumbers, griddle pickle chips, fresh lettuce, and a potato bun.
Okay, that sounds like a lot. And then you also got some tater tots that have like
Grillo seasoning on them.
And then this one, oh my goodness, this I might
Pickle
not try.
slushie.
Pickle slushie. I don't know if I can do that. I'll try the others. Pickle slushie, not so sure about me. I just got a normal smash burger. I'm plain.
Okay, so let's give these tater tots a try. It's the regular tater tots with a little pickle seasoning on it. That's really good. They have really good tater tots, and that seasoning just puts it over the edge. Not real strong, but it's perfect.
All right, here comes the burger. Doug,
Okay, we're gonna give this burger a taste. The Grillo pickles are my favorite, so we're gonna give this one a try here. Try to get a bite here with everything in it, with the crunchy pickle chips, the regular pickles, and the nice dill sauce. If you like pickles, you're gonna love this. It has a really good pickle flavoring. The hamburger is nice. Tastes really good.
all right, let's try it.
Okay, we're gonna give this slush a try.
When I say let's try it, I mean Doug, give that a try because I probably won't.
Yeah, Tammy probably would not like this, but I really like pickles. This is really good. You can see that it has the pickle
Boba balls.
Boba balls in there. That's the pickle flavoring. It's good. Nice, refreshing on a hot day.
I don't think dill pickle flavored anything is like as a drink would be a nice refreshing anything. All right, here we go. Tot. I do like the tot. It's subtle. The pickle flavor itself is subtle, but good crunchy tots. A little salty from the pickly flavor. And the burger. Let's see. Definitely lots of dill pickle flavor. Definitely can taste the Grillo's. Good burger, good tots. I'm not sure I'm getting to hit up the slushie though. Now I haven't had the regular smash burgers, and these have been out for a while. This is a double patty smash burger, but we'll give this a try. I like this better than the pickly thing, but really good. Lots of cheese. Certainly has 2 patties on it. That's a good burger.
Okay, I'm about halfway through here. I would say the hamburgers are really good, especially if you like Grillo pickles. You would really like that. Tater tots are good, nice and crispy. They have a good pickle flavoring. I still can't get Tammy to try this drink, but it's really nice on a hot day.
Now, I have a regular smash burger. I will say that so far, I think I prefer Sonic's just a regular #1 burger over this. Although this is replaced as a #1, but I don't really like 2 smash burger patties because they're really big. But
Okay, so here's our honest review. And you're gonna get 2 different reviews here. I really like pickles. Tammy does not. So the pickle burger I thought was superb. The ranch dressing on it was really good, the pickle ranch dressing. The tater tots were good. They were good tater tots.
I actually like the tater tots because it was almost like a ranch seasoning on them. I didn't really feel like it was a pickle seasoning.
The Sonic drink I liked. I think if Tammy didn't try it, but I think if she would have tried it, we would have had another episode like the jelly bean episode, which we'll link below, the pickle jelly bean episode.
It didn't go well. If you didn't see that, it didn't go well.
But if you like pickles, hey, give it a try. It's a limited time. I don't know how long it's going to be around, but it is a limited try.
And I think it just came like this week. I think it just started.
Yeah, it just came out this week. That's right. So, hey, give it a try if you like pickles. If you don't like pickles, don't try it. You sure you don't want a little sip?
Not right at all. All right, so I know that the slushie itself tastes like dill pickles, but you got boba balls.
Yeah, the boba balls are a nice little surprise in your mouth when they pop. I mean, it has a strong pickle flavor to it. So the boba balls, hey, that's good. That's where it's at.
Yeah,
You sure?
I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Oh, it was bad. All right.
Okay, so I know you didn't have the pickle one, but what do you think about the regular Sonic review?
Well, this was not my favorite Sonic trip overall. I had their Smashburger, which I've not had before. It was a double patty, and
We didn't do a good job reading the menu.
no, I don't generally like that much meat on a burger anyway. It had pickles on it. I ended up pulling them off, and they were just regular pickles. They were not the GRILLO'S. And the GRILLO'S, I can eat 2 or 3 of them, and I like them, but I can't have them intense. If you haven't had GRILLO'S, they're just very strong dill pickles. Doug, he will like eat them out of the container. We have family members that eat them out of the container. I am not as much a fan that way. So I even pulled the pickles off of mine. And I also wasn't a fan of the sauce. And we make smash burgers at home. I make a homemade sauce that is a smash burger sauce. I like it. This one, I don't know if it was just the combination of the pickles and the smash burger
Now,
sauce.
this was just regular pickles, right? Regular dill
They were just regular dill pickles. They weren't GRILLO'S. But maybe I had too much trying the other dill pickle stuff. I don't know. But it wasn't a bad burger, and I'm sure there are folks that love it. It just wasn't my favorite. I think I would just rather my normal, just regular Sonic burger. He's still trying to get me to drink some of this pickle juice and this like electric green ectoplasmic pickle juice in a jar, but he still has some left. That tells you something. My tea, it's watered down, but it's still my sweet tea.
Sitting there and you have nothing to do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, give us a try. It doesn't cost you anything, and it'll give you something to watch. Hey, thanks. If you like pickles, I would give it a try. If you don't like pickles, I'd look for something else on the menu. For me, it was pretty good.
For me, not so much.
Hey, thanks for joining us today.
Take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Join us next Tuesday for another food adventure.